And I think what India and China represent, and I look at from at least three different lenses in terms of what they mean in terms of how you think about marketing and how you think about markets, how you think about manufacturing and business processes and cost efficiency, and how you think about R&D. So first, if you look at how you think about marketing and markets, the obviously established multinationals are very used to operating in foreign markets or markets away from their home countries. But what is very, very different about India and China is that for the first time, the established multinationals find themselves dealing with, operating in, and trying to make sense of markets that are mega. Mega meaning large size, today as big as markets like Germany or Japan, and in fact, in the not too distant future, markets that may be actually as big or bigger than the whole of EU or the whole of the US. So these are mega markets, therefore they have to be taken seriously. But at the same time, the mega markets of yesterday, like Germany or Japan, they were different, of course, in cultural sense. They were different in terms of customer habits and so on, but they were not radically different in terms of buying power. They are mega markets, but they are also rich markets in per capita terms. So yes, you have to adopt your products and services when you go to those markets, but it's really an adaptation of what you do in your home base. What's different about India and China is that these are mega markets, just like the other ones, but these are not rich markets. And so the buying power for most products and services, in fact, is a tiny fraction of the buying power of customers in the other mega but rich markets. What that means is that given the low pricing power, given in fact a very diverse population in terms of what it means for market segmentation, given the large geographic size and typically poor infrastructure, what it means in terms of supply chain issues and distribution and so on, that what the multinational companies find is that when they look at India or China, which they have to take very seriously, you cannot really adopt your products and services. You have to invent, you have to innovate, you have to build a business model from the ground up. And so therefore it's not merely going abroad, forget cloning, it's not even adaptation, it's innovation, front and center on the marketing front.